Hey everybody, I hope your week is off to a good start. I'm excited because I'm doing a video today on a brand that I have never mentioned before. The company is called Pangea Organics, and it is a body and skincare company based out of Boulder, Colorado. And I have used one of their products before and recently acquired a couple of new things because I was recently at my local Trade Secret, which is just kind of that like a hair, I think they do, it's like a salon too. They sell hair products and nail products and things. It's in my local mall. And they've always carried these Pangea Organics products just, probably in the last few years. I'm not sure how long they have, but I was recently in there just kind of browsing and I noticed all of the Pangea Organic stuff there was 75% off. So I kind of went a little crazy. I was asking the lady, why is this stuff all 75%? She said that Trade Secret, at least my local one, was bought out by another company and this wasn't a product that they were going to continue carrying. So they were just kind of clearancing it all out, which this stuff never goes on sale like that. So as you can imagine, I got a little bit excited. So I got a couple of new things and I wanted to share with you what I picked up. And if you want, reviews, I'm going to be testing all this new stuff out and be sure to let you know what I like. So the company I'm a super big fan of. The one product that I've used so far is a mask. It is the Japanese matcha tea with acai and goji berry mask, and I've used this. This is actually my second jar. Used this for a while, and this is actually the only product I've ever tried. What I love about this company, they are completely cruelty-free, animal cruelty-free, eco-friendly. If you look at their website, you'll learn all about the company philosophy. Their packaging is probably the most amazing packaging I've ever seen. It sort of comes, and here's one of the boxes. This is the toner. It comes in this paper. It's 100% post-consumer newsprint without glues or dyes, and the box itself is sort of embedded with seeds, and you can soak the box in water after you're done with it for a minute and then plant it in your garden and it will grow herbs and flowers. So it's completely, there's no waste with this packaging, which I think is really a clever idea and very smart. And the company just seems to have a really strong grasp on the philosophy that I believe in as far as skincare and avoiding all the synthetic perfumes and dyes and preservatives and all that kind of stuff. So big fan of the company and the products that I have tried so far. So let me just give you a quick rundown of what I picked up. Like I said, I already had the facial mask, and I'll talk about that in a second. The stuff that I got from the sale were 2 shower gels, and they are in Italian white sage with geranium and yarrow, and I really like the scent of that one. Just kind of a standard shower gel, and this was normally $13 and it was 75% off. And then I got Pyrenees lavender with cardamom. That one smells really good too. So I haven't used these yet, so I can't really talk about, how well they foam up and all that good stuff, but like the scents, which is a good start. And then I got a bar of soap, and this one has cinnamon and cloves in it, and I love the scent of the soap. It's got like a little tree leaf kind of thing sort of embossed on the front of it. I think maybe just because it's fall, I'm really getting into those kind of spicy, warm scents, like the cinnamon, the cloves, and smells really, really good. I'm excited to use this. And let's see. Yeah, it talks about sort of the ingredients. There's no petroleum, no sulfates, no detergents, no synthetic preservatives, no artificial colors, no genetically modified organisms, cruelty-free, fair trade whenever possible. They're all organic and handcrafted. So it's just amazing, really good quality stuff. And then the last thing I got was the facial toner that I already showed you. It is the Italian green mandarin with sweet lime, and it comes in this glass bottle with a spray on the top for you to spray out your facial toner with. And the smell on this one is really good. Really like that. It's that really kind of pungent citrusy smell, which I really like. It's really refreshing. So like I said, I haven't used these products yet, but I will tell you about the mask. Now, this mask is really, really interesting. Like I said, it's the matcha tea with acai and goji berry. And this mask literally looks like, it's hard to tell, I don't know if you can see that, it's like a dark green mud lumpy consistency. Okay, it doesn't really look super appealing, I'm not gonna lie. When you look at this and you're putting it on your face, it literally looks like you're smearing like basil pesto all over your face. It does have a kind of a rather strong scent. It's a very earthy, herbally kind of grass, very hard to describe. It's pretty strong though, but in a very nice, earthy, natural kind of way. I actually kind of like it. And putting it on, it literally goes on kind of like a chunky, granular kind of texture, not rough at all. It gently exfoliates your skin just kind of with the chunks of whatever, you know, the green tea and whatever is in here. But it says the super ingredients, deep cleanse, detoxify, exfoliate, tone, hydrate, stimulate collagen, regenerate skin cells, prevent wrinkles, nourish, protect, and balance. So a lot. It's doing a lot. And I checked out just to kind of see, wanted to make sure I wasn't the only one that liked this mask. I checked out the reviews on Makeup Alley and it got a very high score. So the people that have tried this really like it. And it does. It just seems to really like deep cleanse your skin. It does sort of exfoliate because when you're working it into your skin, it kind of is just sloughing off that outer layer of dead skin because it's got these little kind of particles, but it's not like a scratchy, granular type of exfoliation. It's very gentle. And it dries. It does kind of flake off, little chunks will kind of fall off, so make sure you're not like cooking over your brownie batter or anything like that, because stuff will fall in off of your face from this mask. But it kind of dries and then you rinse it off and it just will leave your skin kind of rosy, very nourished, glowing, cleansed, soft. It's just an amazing feeling after you use this mask. It's surprising. It's kind of a surprising feeling because it's not what you're going to expect when you first put it on, and it's not a typical like a clay mask, but it's very, very nice. This mask it retails for $40, which it's a little bit pricey. I just checked the website before coming on, and all of their skincare right now until the end of October is 30% off on the website. So this was $28 right now. So I just thought I'd share that. I looked on Vitacost, which is where I order a lot of my organic skincare stuff, and they only had 8 products on Vitacost. So they definitely don't have the full line, but some of the stuff, like they had some bars of soap and some of the body washes, they were a little bit cheaper there on Vitacost, but they don't have very big of a selection at all. But check it out if you're interested in checking out any of these products. 30% off on the skincare. Ooh, my mirror fell over there. Is a great deal. So I thought that was pretty cool. I'm super excited to try out the new body washes. Can never get enough of those. The soap looks amazing, and I always use a toner, and you know, I have a toner by Beauty Without Cruelty that is my favorite one, but you know, always interested in trying something new, and this was originally $22 and was on the 75% off, so I couldn't pass up to try something new that was organic and had some really lovely ingredients in it. So I'm excited to try this too. So let me know in the comments if you guys have ever used any Pangea Organics products and what you think and what your favorites are, and let me know if you're interested in seeing a little bit more information about these products once I've given them more of a try. But thought it was a fantastic deal. Maybe if you have a trade secret local to you, you might want to check out and see if you can find any of these things on sale, because really good deal. I couldn't pass it up. It was super exciting. Anyway, I hope you all are doing really well. Keep me posted on what you'd like